You're probably using Canva for thumbnails or slides, but what if I told you it's also one of the best ways to make faceless kids' videos? In fact, I've made thousands of educational videos this way. In this lesson, I'll show you exactly how to do it from scratch, and I'll demonstrate many techniques and processes for you. Let's get started.
I came to ChatGPT and I asked it for 5 ideas for an introductory lesson about outer space for kids. Then it gave me these 5 ideas. Next, I asked it to write me a 30-second or less script for a YouTube video about this first idea here. So now that I have this ready, the next thing I'm going to do is record my voices. So let's do that next. Right now, I'm inside 11 Labs. Come here to text-to-speech. This is where you'll paste in whatever you want the voices to say.
There is no greater harm than that of time wasted.
There is no greater harm than that of time wasted.
Next, I'll take my text and paste it right here. Then I'll click on Generate Speech. To download it once it is done, you just click right there. Now I'll do the same thing for the rest of my story's text until it is all recorded. Now we'll go on to the next step, which is actually starting to put all our pieces together. Now I'm in Canva. First, I'm going to come here to YouTube video. I could also go to video here. It opens up a new page for me, and then I'll add a few pages because I know I'll need them soon. The first thing I'll do is add my narration, so I'll grab my voices, open up my uploads, and drag them in. The first one goes right here. I'll stretch this page to match the audio length. I'll also make it a little louder, maybe 120%. For the second scene, I'll do the same. The beginning of the story needs to match the spaceship reference. Go to Graphics, then choose one in here. I can always go to Videos and see what's in there too. I'll use this cartoon video. I like the moving buttons and colors. I'll also blow it up a little, put it in the middle and animate it by adding the zoom feature. Right here I want to add a new page. I'll put a countdown here. I think I'll choose this one and fill the page. Look for speed lines in the video area. I'll choose this one. I'll flip it that way. Now I need a spaceship. I'll choose this one. Let's enlarge it. I'll move it off the page about like that. On this page, I'll make the rocket bigger. In between, I'll add a match and move transition. I'll chop up the narration below and then match up my story images with what's happening in the audio. I'll just right-click to split the audio. It's time to add the next page image. I'll right-click on the page and split it. Right there, I'm going to add an astronaut floating outside the cabin. Next, I'll split this page again to make a new page. For this part, I need to add a cartoon sun. So let's look in Graphics. For the next scene, we'll add this cool planet video, perfect for this project. And for the following scene about the moon, we'll add something similar. Now it's time to add the Earth. I came across this, and it was a nice animation that works well with my story, so I'll center it and animate it using Photorise. Add another dissolve between pages. In the story, the narrator mentions waving, so I will add that. I eventually found these hands, so I'll add them in here. Alright, we're nearing the end now, so look for astronaut in videos. Let's choose this guy here and we'll animate him with a photo zoom. Why not add a solar system? Okay, I'll choose this one. Now the video is done, so I will go to File, go to Download, make sure MP4 is chosen, that all the pages are included, then click on Download. The next thing I'll do is upload this new story to YouTube, my favorite social media channels, or wherever I choose.
Welcome, Space Cadets. Today we're blasting off into outer space. Are you ready? Let's start the countdown. 5, 4, 3. Blast off. Whoosh. Look out the window of our spaceship. There's the sun, the center of our solar system. And over there, look out the window. It's Mars. Amazing. Next stop, the moon. Imagine walking here like the astronauts do. And there's Earth, our beautiful blue planet. Wave hello, kids! Great work, explorers. Ready for more adventures next time? We'll revisit the stars again in our next lesson.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.